Okay, let's try something different.
Good morning, everyone. It's me again, Celeste Biando. I am here today to talk all about Module 7, which is social, ethical, and legal responsibilities in the use of technology, tools, and resources. First, let's state the module outcomes on this lesson. What are the module outcomes? It's described the community of learners as citizens. It's practice standard etiquette in sharing, who share and utilize digital materials. It's utilizing shares materials among learning communities. It's identified example of intellectual property rights in educational setting. It shows give examples and observe social, ethical, and lastly, the legal responsibility in the use of technology, tools, and resources. Lesson 1. Digital citizenship versus global citizenship. The lesson's outcomes is to recognize the 5 tenets of global digital citizenships, the 9 elements of digital citizenship, compare and contrasted one's role as the citizens of a community and that of a digital world, share ways on how can observe social, ethical, and legal responsibilities in the use of technology tools and resources. Digital citizenship versus global citizenship. What are their differences? The global citizenship is to seize the world as a community in which all people live and prosper together. While the digital citizenship is to adhere to guidelines, ethical and responsible use of technology, and act responsibility in all relationship and interaction in the digital world. Global digital citizens is a responsible, ethical citizen leveraging technology to foster community on a global scale through connection and compassion. That we can govern technology for the benefit of both ourselves and others, and the views world as the interconnected community. The 5 tenets of global digital citizenship are personal responsibility, global citizenship, digital citizenship, altruistic service, environmental stewardship. For personal responsibility, demonstrating how we manage ourselves, such as personal finance, ethical and moral boundaries, personal health and wellness, and relationship of both online or offline. For global citizenship is to understand that technology has dissolved boundaries between all the world's people. We now communicate, collaborate, and celebrate across all levels of society. And this leads to cultivating understanding, acceptance, compassion, and humility. In digital citizenship, it covers appropriate and exemplary behavior in our online environments. It's about working toward making our transparent digital world safe for ourselves and others. In altruistic service, altruism defined as having a selfless concern for the well-being of others. The global digital citizens acknowledge that they share the world with many different people. It includes embracing the opportunity to exercise charity and goodwill for the benefits of others. And lastly, the environmental stewardship. This practice is all about common sense values. and appreciation for the beauty and majesty that surround us every day. This encourages every student to take a positive stand on personal, local, regional, national, and international action regarding the preservation of what is essentially our environmental community. Why do we need to be global digital citizens? For personal reason, because we face daily possibilities of online fraud, identified thief, and online bullying. For globally, even as technological intertwined as we are, there is also a level of disconnection in our life. For altruistically, we have more means to help others. For environmentally, we continue to face growing threats such as climate change, resource depletion, industrial pollution, digital pollution, and more. In digital citizenship, there are 9 elements such as digital access, digital commerce, digital communication, digital literacy, digital etiquette, digital law, digital rights and responsibilities, digital health and wellness, and lastly, digital security. In digital access, it's full electronic participation in society. In digital commerce, more on electronic buyer and selling of goods. Digital communication is electronic exchange of information. The digital literacy is the process of teaching and learning about technology and the use of technology. The digital etiquette is the electronic standards of conduct or procedure. The digital law is the electronic responsibility for action and deeds. The digital rights and responsibilities are those freedom extended to everyone in a digital world, while the digital health and wellness is physically and psychologically well-being in a digital technology world. And lastly, the digital security is a self-protection, electronic precaution to guarantee safety. Thank you for watching.